of an impact when they land on your opponent. Now, Torre Campo is a slugger.
Both tough boys.
Yes. Torre Campo, as we mentioned at the top of our coverage, has scored brilliant knockouts here on Blow by Blow, stopping the previously unbeaten Reynante Rojo and Marvin Corpus. Here we go, Torre Campo.
Walking into the body. And Pacquiao connects with the left from under.
And one thing about Manny Pacquiao, he really has not been tested.
He's not been really tested.
Yeah, that's right. He really has
left by Torre Campo.
puncher.
Maybe your gloves are not going to help him when it comes to punching. He goes after Torre Campo. Beautiful right uppercut by Pacquiao. And the crowd's on his feet. He goes after Torre Campo. They're really slugging it out there. Torre Campo connects with a hard right. Pacquiao with the left from under. Angered. And he thinks that, you know, he's left. Oh, beautiful left by Pacquiao. Flash on the face of Torre Campo in blue. Torre Campo has carried the fight to Pacquiao. Oh! Pacquiao! He's out. It's over.
Oh my gosh!
It's over.
Punch. Manny Pacquiao cannot get up.
It's over.
Manny Pacquiao
It's over.
cannot get up on time.
Over.
It's over. Manny Pacquiao, one punch, and his eyes are crossed. His eyes are crossed. Torre Campo. Coming out of nowhere.
Jimmy dropped his right. Yon. Alright.
It was a chin. It was a chin.
Yeah. And look at his glassy-eyed.
Yes. Glassy-eyed. His eyes got crossed.